So, what's been going on here? We haven't done a video in a couple of days.
Okay, I got this manifold or exhaust pipe hooked up again to the manifold.
Yeah.
This line here I restrung today because that's the suction line for the transmission.
Okay.
I had cut this end off here because it's not doing anything.
Was that one that was attached with like the green wire or whatever? Yeah.
I put a new spring on the carburetor, new carburetor. And this is the valve for the timing advance.
Yeah.
And I've put new grommets in here and PVC valve, but it was short one, so I got one now.
Okay.
I'll put that on. So we're not far away from starting this one up.
Oh, okay. So it looks brand new or brand newer.
Well, this is on this side. Everything is replumbed.
Yeah.
The magic box up
Wow.
there.
Okay.
Covers are on. I got to get a new set of plugs and put them in.
Spark plugs or?
Yeah,
Okay.
plugs. And then I'll put the tanks on and it should be ready to start.
Okay.
So after that, I'm going to trim out that insulation there.
Yeah. Lots of insulation around that has to clean up yet.
Good. Hook up the choke cable to here.
Yeah.
And then I'll put insulation behind this. This bolts on here.
Yeah.
Uh,
Oh, this insulation, are you just going to leave it in like as it is?
Yeah, that can stay. And then on this cover here, I'll put foam insulation and something to quieten down.
Okay.
And then the floor can go in, and all that's left in is I got to cover in the front and finish the power steering.
Okay.
So this one is
Getting closer?
Yeah, it's getting closer. I still got to put a fuel valve in. Take this one off of here. I'll put this fuel valve down here somewhere.
Okay.
Because the fuel pumps don't like pumping uphill. Once the line is primed, then you got fuel right away.
Okay.
And
is that just a personal preference, or is that what you just found over the years?
No, this is no good, especially if you put a filter between the tank and the pump.
Okay.
It draws air and then it won't prime.
Okay. Okay, so that's what Dad's been working on here. It is absolutely hot and sticky here right now. So in the cool of the morning is when Dad's getting a lot of his work done. We've got that big office, not the shop fan, pretty much we're running non-stop in here for Dad and the dogs. The poor dogs are just played right out over here. It's too much heat.
Oh, I got the shifter put in.
Yeah, the shifter, yeah.
So I'm a few days away.
So
I can roll this one out. You can take it home, get
painted.
painted.
Yeah. So that's what Dad's been working on here, guys.